What's up, YouTube? I hope you're doing well. There's a little sad song for the price structure of Solana. I mean, just look at it. It's quite depressing. Over the last 3 months, we've seen wild capitulation, and a massive amount of the price structure has just been lost around here, especially around these $70 price levels. So we're going to have a look today because Solana is up 5.5% on the daily time frame, and I do think there's a good chance that we could lose more structure and actually see further continuation to the downside. Of course, it depends on the trajectory of Bitcoin as well. But what's happening is we're at $12.4 billion market cap. We are ranked 9 amongst all other cryptocurrencies. That's really strong, but we have got a huge surge of volume. We've got 20% come through at $1.6 billion. So over the 3 months, yes, we're down from $117 into the mid $30 ranges, so it doesn't look amazing. Over the 7 days, we have fallen down as low as $31, but we've popped back up to this $36 level now. Will it be a transient phase? It's been a while since we looked at Solana price structure, so we can do a bit of an update today, really, as we shouldn't forget about this particular project. We can see here on Solana Beach, we can see the circulating supply at the moment, and basically this tells us how many addresses hold a particular amount of Solana. We can see the most popular category right now for Solana is actually the 0.001 and the 0.01 Solana. That kind of makes me think that a lot of people just sold their holdings, and this is kind of the crypto dust that they're left with. I don't know, do you know what I mean? Like, you know, when you sell on an exchange and you have that little bit left, it does make me think that could be the case. But it's also good to see that we still have about 5% of the total addresses, as we see, holding between 1 and 10 Solana, because that's still $33 to $330, and that's 0.29% of the total supply. One crazy thing to look at is actually we've got 25% of the total supply just held within 2,831 validators or wallets over here, which is 0.03%. So a large portion of Solana is held by whales, to be honest, or at least much larger accounts rather than, you know, small fry or micro accounts. Also, a bit of bullish news from the Solana side of things. We can see here Solana steals the lead from Ethereum. Why is this? Solana transaction volume is growing. One major area in which Ethereum has always dominated has been the volume of transactions being carried out on a network. So Ethereum has always been really popular with huge transactions across the network, right? However, other DeFi and NFT networks have had to battle for the second position, but Solana has bought the fight for as the crypto winter rages on. The network has seen transaction volume soar higher than that recorded on the Ethereum blockchain, making it the smart contract network now with the most transactions. So could this effectively be an Ethereum killer all over again? Solana transactions figures came out about 630,000 last week, while Ethereum's had come out less than 500,000, meaning that Sol had more transactions and it surpassed that of Ethereum by more than 30% for the last 7 days. So also they've got the Solana Magic Eden NFT marketplace. So OpenSea, watch out, because Solana is hunting you down. So what's going on with the price right now of Solana? Well, to be fair, what I see is this $43 level is extremely sensitive, and it's a level that we saw a lot of sort of retracement and impulse waves carry through on this consolidation level. But right now, actually, this kind of symmetrical triangle that we're forming is reminding me of the one prior to the parabolic rally of 2021. Of course, I don't think it's going to happen again. We traded in this symmetrical triangle for 70 days before we saw any price explosion to the upside, and so far we've been in this particular channel for roughly 35 days, about half the duration. So we could anticipate a big bounce to the upside, but unfortunately we keep getting rejected around these particular price levels, as we see. One thing is really bullish at the moment is, of course, we are in a symmetrical triangle, so we're getting that convergency. We can actually see here on the daily time frame, which I want to quickly share with you, so I think it is important, is this lovely bullish divergence, right? Let's not forget about the bullish divergence. It's there for a reason. We can see the price structure came down, the RSI popped up. I'm just going to bring this up for you so you can see right there. We can see lower low on the price, higher low on the beautiful relative strength index. So bullish divergence is played out nicely. We are in a bit of a continuation here. We're putting through higher low, lower low. Can we break out to the upside? Well, the next level of resistance we are looking for now on Solana, guys, is of course going to be getting that swing high back up to this $40 region. Can we do it, or will we see rejection back down to this lower trend line? So there's two things that can effectively happen, right? That's going to be breaking out of the resistance that we see here on the 2-hour time frame. We've got a bit of a head and shoulders and cup and handle position going on here. So what can happen is we get that breakout to the upside. If we do, we bump through this resistance, we retest $41 in the near future. If we don't, we come down, we retest to 33. If we lose that support, we can come down lower to look at $31, maybe even the $27 level, which is written in from this swing low here. So of course we've got the bearish scenario, but we've also got a bullish scenario, and I think really coming out of this extreme fear, it's more likely that we're going to get the bounce to the upside, especially with Solana currently actually performing better than Ethereum. So that is what I'm looking for with Solana right now. It's potentially breaking to this 421 resistance on the symmetrical triangle, and if we break further, we'll be looking at that $43 price level, which I really hope we will see for Solana. So if Solana does break through the 43, with next range we'll be trading within, hopefully if we can hold this support, we'll be trading in a brand new range between $54 and $43, sort of just chopping around these levels, whereas at the moment we've lost this key level of support of $43. And I do think we will reclaim this area very, very soon. But I don't think we'll be, of course, setting any new all-time highs at all soon. But it does look really, really undervalued. If we look at what's happened with this kind of swing high over here, we can see on this swing low that we found the support. We actually bounced just below the 0.618 golden pocket on the Fibonacci level, and that's why I'm bullish right now on Solana, and hopefully we will see that continuation to the upside. If you do want to grab Solana today, make sure you use the link in my description below. Solana is here to stay, and it could certainly kill Ethereum in the future. So if you want to grab some Solana, no financial advice, click down in the description box or the comment section. At least check out the exchange for me. That would be really, really helpful. So I'm very, very bullish on the future of Solana. Let me know in the comments what you think of this project. Make sure you also get into the Discord channel below. Come and say hi, don't be shy. Hit the notification bell whilst you're also doing these favors for me. So yeah, guys, Solana looking pretty undervalued. I don't know what's going to happen in the short term, of course, but I think that is the more likely scenario here as we bounce out that extremely oversold position with the bullish divergence. Of course, worst things worse, we could still see an $18 Solana. The chances are extremely, extremely low. And if this is the bottom for Solana, the next targets we're looking for in the next crypto bull run is between $300 and $400. So keep your eyes peeled on that. See you soon, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment if you are new around here. And remember, Bitcoin Rainbow Chart is telling us that we are in an accumulation phase, just like the COVID-19 crash. That's about it for now, guys.